You're a southpaw. You've been told you have this huge, natural advantage, but it just feels like you're fighting in a mirror, and that's because you're backwards. There are 5 geometric cheats built into the southpaw stance that most fighters never even learn. In this video, I'm giving you all 5. Forget everything else. This is the master key. Your #1 job as a southpaw is to get your lead right foot to the outside of your opponent's lead, left foot. This is the dominant angle. Why? Because from here, your power hand has a straight line to their chin, while their power hand is completely blocked by your body. You can hit them, they can't effectively hit you. Every other advantage starts here. But once you have the angle, what do you throw? The beginner throws a jab. The pro knows this is wrong. Your lead hand is your power hand. Stop throwing soft, flicking jabs with it. You need to reprogram your lead hand to be a weapon of destruction. The lead hook and the check hook are now your primary tools. Use it to punish them every time they try to step in. It's not for setting things up, it is the main event. But the most devastating cheat code in the southpaw arsenal isn't aimed at the head. The liver is the human body's off switch. For an orthodox fighter to hit it, they need to throw a looping hook. But for you, the southpaw, it's on the open side. Your rear straight is a direct, unblocked, laser-guided missile to the most vulnerable point on their body. If you're ready to stop fighting like a backwards orthodox and start using these geometric cheats, hit that subscribe button. We turn these concepts into systems every single week. Think about this. You've spent almost your entire fighting life sparring with orthodox opponents. You know these angles. You live in this opposite stance world. They, on the other hand, almost exclusively train against other orthodox fighters. When they face you, they are entering your world. You have seen their patterns 1,000 times. They have barely seen yours. This psychological edge is a massive advantage before a single punch is even thrown. This final advantage is how you completely shut down your opponent's offense. Your lead, right hand, and their lead, left hand, are in a constant battle. This is called hand fighting. A beginner ignores this. A pro dominates it. You can use your lead hand to parry, pin, or frame against their jab, completely neutralizing their primary tool for controlling distance. If you control their lead hand, you control the fight. The dominant angle, the power lead, the liver shot, the experience edge, and lead hand control. These are the 5 advantages you should be drilling every single day. Stop being a southpaw by accident, be a southpaw on purpose. Which of these 5 advantages are you going to add to your game first? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to master these systems, hit that subscribe button now. And to see how these principles apply in a real fight, watch this breakdown of a pro fight I've linked on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.